Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you how to set up your Telemed. The Telemed function enables practitioners and patients to have face-to-face consultations no matter where they are. This convenient alternative to phone calls makes healthcare more accessible by allowing patients to connect with their practitioners from home, saving time and travel expenses. For practices, it streamlines scheduling, reduces waiting room crowds, and ensures continuous care for patients who may have mobility issues or live in remote locations. Telemed is a cost-effective solution that enhances communication, improves efficiency, and boosts patient satisfaction. If you wish to use the Telemed function, you would first need to do a setup for your diary. The first step is adding a new Telemed booking type. Start by clicking on the Settings button in the top right corner. On the Settings screen, click on the Diary Settings tab. In this tab, click on the Booking Type Setup panel. From here, click on the Add New Type button to start adding your new Telemed booking type. As an example, we will name this new booking type Telemed. Set the booking status to any of your desired options and set the invoiceable option to Yes to enable invoicing. If you would like, you can customize the booking type further by setting a duration, changing the colors assigned to the booking type, and much more. For more information on how to customize booking types, please refer to the Booking Type Setup user manual linked in this video's description. Ensure that you tick the box under Telemed. Further than that, you can complete the other fields as you wish. Once you're done adding your Telemed booking type, click on the Save button. The second step is your myGC settings, where you will enable the Telemed booking type to be available for your practice's myGC. In the same Diary Settings tab, click on the Grand Central Diary Settings panel, which will be under the Online Presence Settings tab. Scroll down to the Booking Type section. Your newly added Telemed booking type will display as an option here. Tick the box next to your Telemed booking tab to enable it. Then go back and click on the Sync Online profile to sync the setting to the myGC portal. Then click Save to save your changes. The third step is the booking status change triggers. These triggers will give out a status change to the Telemed booking that will indicate that the patient is ready and waiting for the call. In the same Diary Settings tab, click on the Booking Status Change Triggers panel. Scroll down to the Telemed Waiting Room Arrival section, and from the drop-down, choose your booking status. Change it to, for example, Arrived. Once done, click Save. The fourth step is the SMS and email invite templates that you can set up. These templates will be used when you send bulk SMSs and/or emails to your patients, indicating that your practice is available for Telemed consultations. Click on the Entity Settings tab. In this tab, click on the Workflow Event Templates panel. From here, you can choose SMS and/or email from the drop-down. Once you have selected either of these, click on the Add Template button. A new window will pop up where you can start creating your invite template with the help of placeholders. You can copy and paste your diary external booking URL from the Grand Central Settings panel under the Diary Settings tab. To give you an idea, this is the link that the patients will click on and be redirected to their myGC account to make their Telemed booking with the practitioner. You can also change the name of your new SMS template here. Once you're done, click on the Save button. Additionally, if the practice requires patients to fill in a compulsory form, then that can be set up as necessary. On the Entity Settings tab, click on the Questionnaire Form Settings panel. Here, you can select the type of form that the patient will have to fill out upon booking the appointment. Click on the Display Questionnaire drop-down menu to select the appropriate questionnaire. For more information on how to create your own custom questionnaire, please refer to the Workflow Events Templates list user manual linked in this video's description. Next, you can type what the questionnaires display name will be on the booking. Thereafter, you can rate the importance and severity of the form on a scale of 1 to 10. And with that, we have come to the end of this tutorial video where we went over how to set up your practice for Telemed consultations.